Good evening, everyone. My name is Dale Dizon, your Mr. Giro of Philippines 2026, Mabalacat City, Pampanga.
Hi everyone, I'm Dre Arias, your Mr. Gearwood Philippines, Bulacan Province.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Elwood Mariano, representing the municipality of San Leonardo, province of Nueva Ecija.
Manuel Zeidenberg, representing Zambales.
I am Gerald Sean Madrigal, all the way from the province of Laguna.
Mabuhay! Mula sa lungsod na naniniwalang sa planong sama-sama, patuloy na umaagos ang pag-asa. This is Gio Bansal Flores, your Mr. Giro Philippines 2026, representing Pasig City.
Gili Valenzuela, kumakatawan mula sa Bagsaysayang, probinsya ng Bataan.
May hapon na tungtanan. Good evening everyone. I'm Harold, representing Sikihor, and I am your Mr. Giro Philippines 2026.
Maupay nga gabi ha iyong nga tanan. My name is Jamil Giliera, proudly representing the province where you shall return, province of Leyte.
Sabi sa inyo lahat, ako po si Jasmine Fajardo from the Rice Granary of the Philippines, Nueva Ecija.
Jim Alfred Castellares, province of Batangas.
Maupay nga gabi sa inyong tanan. I am Jonas Poblete, representing City of Water Falls, Calbayog City, Samar.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jose Rica Monte Carganilla. At ako ay mula sa matatag at malakas na lungsod ng Maynila.
Good evening everyone, my name is Josh Vallejo, and I'm proud to represent City of Caloocan.
Good evening everyone, my name is Miguel Lago, representing the historic Heritage District of Santa Ana, Manila.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Akarul Tunes James. I am from the province of Camarines Sur, Bicol Region.
Lord Ramos, 47, mula sa lungsod ng Makati.
Joining this competition for the fourth time, kay Sir Wayne baka naman. This is Madro Morales Solito, representing the ultimate hub of the Philippines. All roads leads to Cubao, Quezon City.
My name is Mark Jesti Lempano, and I proudly represent the charm heritage of my municipality of Abuhay, province of Bataan. Hello everybody, hi everyone. My name is Mark Anthony Bacongan, representing Malabon City.
This is Bart Zanti, proudly representing Philippines Mega City. By the way, welcome to my hometown, ang lungsod ng Parañaque.
Hi everyone, my name is Mar Rubina. I'm representing Cebu Province.
Hi everyone. My name is Michael Abejero, and I'm your representing Antipolo Rizal.
Maayong gabi kanyang tanan. My name is Michael Dayupay Kainoy. I am representing Hinook City, Misamis Oriental.
Good evening everyone, my name is Norman Bisik Batang, representing Quezon City.
Nababii ka na kayo amin, or should I say good evening? I'm Rima Cervantes, 26, from La Union.
Mayop Abengi. I am Rodel Carrion Candelaria, and I am representing Tarlac Province.
Good evening everyone, this is Will Narda, 24, from the first class municipality of La Union, municipality of Balawan.